Do you know what change did Satya Nadella bring in Microsoft since he became a CEO in 2014? Well, we'll answer this question towards the end of the video. Hi all, welcome back to my channel Techie Minds. We are here today to discuss a very interesting topic which deals with mindsets of people. Have you ever imagined why a few people are successful while a few struggle to succeed irrespective of the fact that they have the same intellect? Let's watch the video to know more. Today we'll find out what are the different mindsets that people have. As per the research conducted by Carol Dweck, professor of psychology at Stanford University, the reason why few people succeed while others don't, irrespective of having the same intellect, is only because of their mindset. Professor Dweck and her team have categorized these mindsets as fixed mindset and growth mindset. Let's take an example of two boys to understand this better. Tom is good at most things, be it sports, studies, or doing other activities like playing a musical instrument. Another boy, Harry, in Tom's class, is good at certain things, but doesn't seem to be very much keen on striving hard to excel in everything. Why do you think there is this difference? The difference is all about mindset. Harry has a fixed mindset, due to which he feels that skills or talent is inborn. He shies away from asking questions because he doesn't want to sound dumb. This mindset is fixed mindset. Tom believes that skills or talent can be developed or built. He is inquisitive and wants to know more. His goal is to learn. He doesn't feel that asking questions will make him sound stupid or dumb in any way. Instead, he looks at it as a source of learning and gaining knowledge. Such a mindset is growth mindset. In today's video, let's find out certain differences in these mindsets. As stated earlier, fixed mindset people like Harry believe that skills or talent is inborn. They are fixed. You either have them or you don't. While people with growth mindset like Tom believe it is possible to develop talent or skills by learning. They believe that new abilities can be developed through practice and effort. They are firm believers of the fact that skills are developed through hard work and challenges are opportunities to learn. Experts believe that mindset has a lot of influence on people's ability to learn and grow. People who have growth mindset learn and achieve more than those with fixed mindset. People with growth mindset treat problems as an opportunity to learn. For them, challenges become a part of an exciting journey filled with opportunities to learn and grow. While people having a fixed mindset avoid conflicts or problems, and they are not ready to accept challenges, mostly due to the fear of failing. They cannot accept criticism or feedback. People with fixed mindset try to hide the traits that they are not good at, while the one with growth mindset try to accept all challenges and learn from their mistakes. They are receptive to criticism and know that it is for their betterment. Sometimes we like to switch from one mindset to another. Growth mindset doesn't necessarily mean excellence, but simply a mindset which states that no matter what level you are at, you can always improve with efforts, hard work, good strategies, and help, because it has been proven that brain grows like any other muscle in a body with training. So to answer the question about what change did Satya Nadella get in since he became CEO of Microsoft in 2014, he simply encouraged the entire company to adopt a growth mindset or the belief that skills are developed through hard work
and challenges are opportunities to learn.
Thank you all for watching the video. I'm sure after understanding the difference in growth mindset and fixed mindset, you all would be keen on knowing how to develop a growth mindset. I'll be covering this in my next video. Stay tuned to Techie Minds to know this and more. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do write to me in the comment box or on the email ID mentioned in the description box below. Do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever I come up with a new video. Thank you. Bye-bye.